Ready to unlock the secrets of your Shopify store's performance and turn data into dollars with smart tracking? First, we'll head to your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Online Store, then to Themes. Click on the Customize button for your live theme in the theme editor. Find what you're building. If you see Edit for each of your files, you are ready to proceed. Select the Edit Code option. Here's where we'll add the Google Tag Manager code now. Within the code editor, locate the Theme.liquid file. This file generally dictates the overall structure of your website. Now, to add the GTM code, you need to get it. Go to your Google Tag Manager account. You can find the unique GTM container ID. Copy the Google Tag Manager code snippet provided. It's usually into parts, one for the head and one for the body. Go back to your Theme.liquid file. Within the Shopify editor, paste the first part of the GTM code, the head code, into the head greater than section of your Theme.liquid file, preferably right after the opening head tag. Now, return to the Google Tag Manager and copy the second part of the code, the body code. Go back to the Theme.liquid file and paste this second code snippet into the bottom of the body greater than section, right before the closing less than body tag. Finally, click Save to save the changes to your theme. That's it. Go back to the Google Tag Manager dashboard to confirm that your GTM tag is working by previewing your website.